do all these things, you're fucked.
Hey, it's Ryan from the Carb Situation. Remember, I'm not a doctor, I'm not a nutritionist, I'm not a trainer. I'm just a human guinea pig who likes to read a lot and willing to experiment. If you go on the journey with me, maybe you'll learn what I learned. Oh yeah, and I curse a lot. Let's do this.
Okay, the next thing I want to talk about is setting goals. One of the main stumbling blocks that people come across is they set too lofty goals too early. So imagine if you're a person who wants to get in shape. You haven't exercised for the last 10 years. If you decide, that's it, I'm gonna get in shape, I'm gonna start running 2 hours a day, 6 days a week, let's do this. I can almost promise you that you will fail by day 3. And that has nothing to do with you. It has to do with humans. We can't bite off that much. The same thing goes with several different goals. If we have tons and tons of goals, okay, I'm gonna get my life together. I'm gonna start eating right, I'm gonna start exercising, I'm gonna learn how to play an instrument, I'm gonna learn a new language, I'm gonna start getting up at 4 a.m., I'm gonna do all these things, you're fucked. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to make the game easy for you to win. If you win the game, the goal game, it will incentivize your brain to keep playing. So have a floor and a ceiling when you set your goals. The ceiling is what you aspire to right now. And the floor is the minimum that you have to put in every day. And you want to make this very, very easy to accomplish. So let me give you a couple examples. A few years ago, I decided I wanted to have some kind of exercise in my life to start my day. Nothing big, just something to kind of get my body moving. I thought to myself, okay, how about like 15 minutes of yoga, 20 minutes of calisthenics or something like that? Well, I understood that that was probably a very lofty goal for me at that time because I hadn't been doing shit. So bare minimum, I will do 1 push-up every day. And sure enough, when you find yourself in the middle of 1 push-up, it always turns into 10 or 20 or sometimes 50, sometimes just a few, but I always hit my floor every day. I always get that 1 push-up in. A lot of the days I hit my ceiling, which is I'll do about 20 push-ups, I'll stretch, and then I'll also work out. I'll do strength training or a bicycle ride or something like that. But every day, for sure, I'm gonna hit that fucking floor. I'm gonna do my 1 push-up. I would recommend using an app. I use Habit Bowl. It keeps track of it. It's just like the Seinfeld calendar. Once you get a streak going, you don't want to break that streak. And you make it very easy to win. You're making the rules, so make the rules of the game easy to win. For carbohydrate counting, maybe for my floor, I want to stay under 50 grams every day. And for my ceiling, that's a 0 carb day. Make sure that you can always hit your floor and then track it and hit that shit every day. Those little teeny tiny targets, it may not seem like much, but what you're doing is you're training your brain to trust yourself. Say, okay, I made another little goal and I hit it. I hit another goal. I hit another little goal. And after a while, when you set goals, your brain starts to understand, I can hit this shit. I can do this. But if you go heavy and you say, that's it, I'm gonna go 0 carb for 2 weeks. Not a single carb in my body for the next 2 weeks. You're probably gonna fuck up in the first couple days. So then maybe you have the balls to try it again. Okay, I'm gonna start over. This time I'll do 0 carb for 1 week. Day 3, you fuck up again. You're starting to train your brain that, hey, whenever I make a goal, it doesn't matter. I can't hit it. I don't trust myself. I don't have confidence in hitting these goals. So don't make a shit ton of goals and don't make really, really hard goals. Make easy goals and sort of bonus levels. So make the easy goal that you're gonna hit and build from there. Better goals, better goals, better goals. Make the rules of the game easy to win. So if you have any questions or comments, please give them to me below. Check the link below and you can fill out my survey that will take you maximum of 30 seconds to let me know how I can help you better with the carb situation. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel on YouTube. Make sure and check out my website for all kinds of free, easy resources to help you on your journey. That's it for this one. Thanks for watching and I'll talk to you next time. Cheers.